Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some simple easy hairstyles. So first tie the hairs like this and then rotate it. Now join all the hairs together. Now divide the hairs into small parts like this on the back and join them. Now after that tie the hairs in the same way. Now we will tie all the hairs together and make the plaits. After making the hairs, fold it upward and make the bun. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun foam. Now take small section of the hairs, roll it and fold it upward like this. Keep rolling the hairs into small sections and fold it. Tie all the hairs in the similar way. Make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the back in a knot way like this. Fix it using the rubber band. After that, repeat the process for a few more times. Join the hairs in the similar way one by one. After that, at the end, we will take it and then make the plaits like this. Join the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make the ponytail. Fix this hair clutch. Now roll the hairs down and fix it using the hair clips and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts, tie them using the rubber bands. Now rotate it upward and fix them on the alternative sides like this. Now take the hairs again and fix them on the alternative sides. Tie them properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now pull the hairs upward and fix this bun pin. Divide the hairs into two parts. Now make the plaits, fold them like this and fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the bun and then rotate it like this from the downside. After rotating the hairs, fix it properly as shown in the video. So here we are not rotating it completely, we are fixing it like this and make the bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll them and fix it inside the clip. Now make the plaits, fold it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the hairs like this. After that, we will roll it upward, pull out the hairs from the sides. Now follow the same process for the other side as well. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. It will look very beautiful. So after that, we will roll the hairs and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Make the knot like this. Now fix it using the rubber band. Now follow the same process for a few more times. Tie the hairs in the same manner as shown. Fix it all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it and fix it in the half. Now repeat the process for a few more times in the same manner till the end. Tie all the hairs together one by one and fix it in the half like this. After that, we will tie the hairs all together at the end, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After that, we will roll it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.